Hey guys, this is question MM160 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we need this, we've got this question. The gradient of a line perpendicular to the line which passes through 0, 3 and negative 9, 0 is what? So the first thing we have to kind of recognize is that we are dealing with our perpendicular line, right? So a line that's perpendicular to something is the negative reciprocal of that other line, okay? So if I have the gradient of a line, the gradient of a perpendicular line, that's equal to -1 over the original gradient of that line, right? So what we need to do is find the gradient of the line through this point and then sub it into this section here, okay? So let's do that now. How do we find the gradient of the line between these 2 points? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's take this as our first point. So our first y value is 3, second y value is 0, which means that our first x value is 0 and our second x value is -9, which gives us 3 over 9, which is equal to 1 over 3. Awesome. But this is not the gradient of the perpendicular line. This is the gradient of the line between these 2 points, which means that to find the gradient of the line perpendicular to this, we have to say that the perpendicular gradient is -1 over 1 over 3. Rearranging this, we get, if you want to write it out, -1 divided by 1 on 3, which is the same as -1 times 3 over 1, which is -3. That gives us our answer of B, guys. So B is our final answer. Just in terms of this shortcut here, when you're dividing a whole number by a fraction, you can actually just bring this number up to the top and multiply it. So you would end up with -3 over 1, which is of course just -3. So guys, please hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below. But apart from that, have a great day and keep running through these questions.